International news. Telescope captures pic of rocket debris that is expected to crash into Earth. A telescope has captured an image of Chinese rocket debris that is expected to crash into Earth on May 8th. The Italy-based Virtual Telescope project snapped the image on Wednesday night. Earlier, the US said its Space Command is aware of and tracking the location of the Chinese Long March 5B rocket in space. Switzerland sends 24 crore worth of medical supplies to India. Switzerland has sent medical supplies including oxygen concentrators and respirators worth CHF 3 million, that is over 324 crore, to India amid a coronavirus surge. A cargo aircraft carrying over 13,000 kilograms of medical supplies from Switzerland arrived in New Delhi on Friday morning. About 40 Swiss companies have also pledged medical relief worth over CHF 7 million, that is over 256 crore. National news. India records world's highest ever daily coronavirus cases for second day in a row. India on Friday recorded the highest ever one-day rise in the number of COVID-19 cases for any country for the second day in a row, as 4,14,188 people tested positive for the virus in the last 24 hours. Further, India recorded 3,915 deaths due to COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, taking the death toll in the country to 2,34,083. Sputnik Light COVID-19 vaccine to be produced in India, said developers. The Sputnik Light COVID-19 vaccine, which was authorized for use by Russia on Thursday, will be produced in several countries including India in the coming months, the vaccine's developers said. Sputnik Light, the single-shot version of Sputnik V vaccine, demonstrated 79.4% efficiency. Sputnik V will be the core vaccine, while Sputnik Light will be cheaper and more affordable, Russia said. 21-point COVID-19 advisory on social media is fake, said the ICMR, the Indian Council of Medical Research, on Thursday. Third COVID-19 wave may affect kids. Need to plan for this. Supreme Court on Thursday asked Centre to prepare for third COVID-19 wave. The third surge, which is around the corner according to experts, will affect children. When a child goes to hospital, parents will also have to go, said Court. Vaccination will have to be over for this group of people. We need to plan for this in scientific way, it added. Government shares natural ways to boost immunity amid COVID-19. The government has shared some natural ways to boost immunity amid COVID-19. It recommended 5 servings of colored fruits and vegetables to get adequate vitamins and minerals. It also said that people should drink turmeric milk once a day to boost immunity. Whole grains like ragi, oats, and amaranth are advised, it further stated. Innovative news. DRDO develops AI tool to detect COVID-19 from chest X-rays. The Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) and Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics (CAIR) have created an artificial intelligence AI algorithm to help detect COVID-19 from chest X-rays. It can be a very useful tool, especially in smaller towns in our country where there is a lack of easy access to CT scans, said the developers. Visakhapatnam. Andhra Pradesh reported 21,954 new COVID-19 cases on Thursday, taking the cumulative caseload to 12,28,186. This is the third day in a row that the state has recorded over 20,000 daily cases. The death toll increased to 8,446 as 72 more people succumbed to the disease. Experts were worried that the N440K variant discovered by the Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology (CCMB), might be the reason why COVID patients' condition in Visakhapatnam and other parts of Andhra Pradesh is going from bad to worse in just 3 to 4 days. People arriving in the national capital from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana through any mode of transport will have to undergo 14 days of mandatory institutional quarantine, said an order issued by the Delhi government on Thursday. Telangana registered 5,892 fresh coronavirus positive cases and 46 deaths until 8 pm on Thursday, pushing the total tally to 4,81,640 and the fatality count to 2,625. Meanwhile, the recovery cases went up to 4,05,164, with 9,122 persons recovering from the virus in the last 24 hours. At present, there are 73,851 active cases in the state. Hyderabad. No lockdown will be imposed in Telangana. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao reaffirmed on Thursday, saying that it would bring life to a standstill and lead to total collapse of the economy. Chairing the first meeting following his recovery from COVID-19, KCR said that he took this decision after examining the situation in the states where the lockdown was imposed, and still the positive cases have not come down as well, as taking into account past experiences.
Mask up, wash your hands, and sanitize them regularly. If outdoors, maintain social distancing. If possible, stay at home. Together, we can make this happen.